Both are. But I really wanted to take some time for myself. I was really emotional. There were so many things happening in my head, and this isn't like an internet fight. This isn't drama. This isn't tea. This is my real life, and me and my soulmate are really going through it, and we've both been through so much the last few years. So I know a lot of you are really shocked. I'm shocked, and I feel like I owe you all an explanation because Nathan and I have grown with each other in front of all of you, and I can't believe he's not here right now. But I do want to share what's been going on. And I do want to talk to you guys. First of all, I know I've been radio silent on social media. I just want to say thank you to every single person that has sent me well wishes, not knowing what's going on. Now, the internet is brutal, and I've learned a lot from not being on my phone the last few weeks. This is hard to say. My soulmate is no longer with me, and it's been so hard. The last thing I ever wanted to do was sit on camera, but me and him have filmed so many videos together. We've traveled the world together. I just want to put this on record that Nathan is the only man that I've ever been in love with. And I know he's not here today, but he wanted to say hi and send his love to everyone. It's been difficult because Nathan never wanted to be in the spotlight, right? We fell for each other when we met, and we fell for each other so hard. And I'm grateful for him, and I'll be grateful until the day I die, because this was the only man that was ever confident enough to love me publicly, to love me for me fully, all my flaws. No makeup, waking up in bed, to full on, like, you know what I mean? Like, he never cared about any of it, and he just loved me for me. And no man has ever had those feelings, I don't think, for me. And I've never loved someone like I've loved him. And I've talked about this before, but people used to always keep me the secret. 10 years ago, you guys, it was not how it is today. There's so many people afraid. There was dudes that would be in love with me, but they were afraid what their families would say, or people in their lives, and I would always get shut out and shut down. And when Nathan entered my life, I was jaded, I was angry, I was just starting my company, and I was on a whole new journey, and life, God, whatever you guys want to call it or believe in out there, put him in my life for a reason, and he changed me. He changed me for the better, and that's why I'm so appreciative of him, because he showed me how to love myself. He showed me how to love people in my life better, just for loving me for who I am. And I'd never had that before. I was always the secret, and he changed my world. So the fact that we're no longer together, I know it's really shocking to a lot of you. I want to say thank you to every single person that has reached out. I checked social media here and there, but it was really rough, and I gotta say that it's been insane, people trying to get information, okay? Like, this sounds so horrible, but imagine you're breaking up with someone. Anyone out there watching this, if you've lost the love of your life, if you've broken up with someone, if you've had a divorce, if you've had a nasty breakup, if you've had a calm, normal breakup, but you lost someone that you were really in love with, then you know what I'm going through. I do want to say that my mother is okay right now, but there was a fake story that she passed away, and my mom's calling me like, what the hell? Imagine your own mother wakes up to see a news article that she's no longer with us. On top of going through this stuff with Nathan, my mom is okay, but she's not great, right? She lives in this beautiful home now, so happy that a lot of my family are with me, and I'm going to spend every day with her until it's her last. So I don't know what is going to happen with my mom this year. It's very touch and go. She's okay right now, but it was scary to see people just make stuff up. Also my grandmother, okay, 102 years old. Grandma Mary's not doing well at all, and I need to see her soon before it's too late. So there's already all that stuff going on. And then, this next part really kills me to say, but we've had family try to reach out to the media to make money off of me and Nathan's breakup. I don't even know how to process that. We're over here heartbroken, dealing with our emotions, dealing with things behind the scenes and off camera, and there's family trying to tell the media fake stories, get money out of it. There's people that I haven't spoken to in years, even before meeting Nathan, that are trying to talk about us. How can you talk about someone you've never met? It's been a lot. So I want to say this, it's 2020, okay? We're gonna start things off fresh. I'm starting this year off alone, and I can't even believe I'm saying that. I'm so devastated, but I'm strong, and you guys know that me and Nate have been through so much together, and there's no crazy gossip, there's no tea. This is actually really important, and I don't think that enough celebrities, influencers, people with a platform talk about, and that's mental health. A few years ago, Nathan lost his grandfather in a very tragic way. You guys know that me and Nathan, we lost 2 dogs last year. And we lost Diamond on the 5th in the summer, and Daddy on October 6th. So this week has been horrible. The 5th and the 6th are always really, really tough for us. And Daddy only passed away 3 months ago. Diamond's been 7-8 months, and we still haven't even fully processed that. You know, he hasn't even processed his grandfather. We haven't processed our dogs fully because this lifestyle is so crazy, and we're always on to the next thing, filming the next thing. Me and him have never just sat down and processed our emotions. We're both broken, and we were both so busy being there for each other that we forgot to be here for ourselves. And that's what 2020 is focusing on our own selves. Me and Nathan are friends. I feel like I need to say that because I feel like the internet spirals and creates so many false stories. Me and Nathan will be friends forever. I will always have love for him. Are we in love with each other? No. But we love each other, and he will always be in my life. Now I know a lot of you are like, Jeffrey, you just uploaded a f***ing house tour. And I know a lot of you are like, Nathan seemed kind of off in the videos. You guys, Nathan never loved being on camera. You can replay all of our videos. He loved being behind the scenes. He never wanted to be famous. He never wanted to be in the spotlight. He never wanted attention, but he loved and believed in everything I was doing, and was a part of it because I asked him to. So, you know, he deleted all of his social media a month or 2 ago, and a lot of people wanted to make stuff about, stuff up about that, you guys. Imagine not wanting to be famous. I know that's probably shocking to a lot of people. Like, he's in so many videos, and he doesn't want to leave his house and have people bother him, and I have to respect that. My life is so public, and I think it just got to a breaking point where it just wasn't healthy. Now, he is my one and only true love, and when you are watching someone you love go through really harsh things and depression and anxiety, and you can't fix it and you want to so bad, it's devastating. So we both have been really going through it, and he really wanted a breather from all of the social media, and I respected it fully. I mean, how can you tell someone you love, like, no, please stick it out for me? Like, no, like, please, if it's unhealthy, let's, remove it. So, this wasn't a fake relationship. Also, that was really hard for years, you guys. This was a 5-year amazing relationship, and I think a lot of it, even if he was never in the spotlight before, and I've been doing this for so long, so imagine strangers and millions of people are judging. I have really thick skin, I could take a lot, but I think it really wears you down when you're in love with someone and all you hear is, he's with you for the money, he's this, he's that, he's that. He met me when I had nothing, and he never changed, and that's what I love the most, is he stayed true to who he was. So I know there's a lot of questions. Our house in Michigan, like you guys, we're good. Our house isn't going anywhere. His family lives there. I visit there a lot. I'm gonna go there in a few weeks. Yeah,